My name is William Arber. I'm from Alden, New York. I grew up here. Currently right now I'm studying welding technologies at Alfred, or Northland Workforce Training Center. The reason why I got into welding, my family's always been hands-on. My grandpa, his dad was the New York State weld inspector for a while. He worked at Trico as a tool and die welder. So I sort of just figured that I would continue by coming here. I really enjoy welding, woodworking, like all that, like hands-on. I sort of got into welding during high school, senior year. Turns out my teacher liked how I welded, told me that I should go to college for it. So I pretty much just came here because it was close, it's affordable, and it's just a really good school overall. They have everything here that you could need, really nice people, and they teach you how to weld for sure. Just overall, it's really nice. I mean, they teach you how to do everything. So, I mean, you're doing stick, then you're doing MIG, then you're doing TIG, and they make sure like you get your qualifications and your tests and stuff. It's just like they constantly show you how to do all the different tests. So like pretty much everything you're gonna do in industry, you do here, and then that way you're ready to go. So like right now we were just going through like our last couple tests and like just redoing them. So that way when we go for a welding job, we're like right there, we're ready to do it because we've already saw it here. I'm just gonna follow my family's footsteps and be hands-on and just see where the industry takes me.